going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. Justin here, RCA Garage. We were working on a G35 the last time you saw us. Today we're actually going to be putting that back together. So we got a bunch of parts from Z1 to go ahead and put this thing back together with OEM parts. So let's check it out. Let's see what we got. We got the front cover with gasket. We had the throwout bearing, flywheel, everything with the kits for the clutch. We got the throwout bearing sleeve. We got the new clutch fork. As you know, we got the new version. This is the cast version as opposed to the stamped steel. It's much stronger. It's a lot heavier too, but it's not going to bend, not going to break on you. Got the new pivot ball with the spacer. Got the throwout bearing. These are the springs here to hold the bearing against the fork. This is for the pivot ball. That'll clip in down over here. New gaskets. Exhaust was leaking. New rubber boots for the fork there. Now we're going to go inside of here. So there's bolts all the way around there for that front cover. These bottom four, you use thread sealants. So we're going to go ahead and throw some sealant on there. Make sure the gasket and everything's all nice and good. Torque everything down. Let's get started. So the plate's on, the pivot ball is on. Ready to start bolting up the clutch. So we're gonna put on the flywheel, the clutch disc, and the pressure plates, torque everything down, then we can start putting that trans back up. Flywheel is in. Also got these new NVIDIA test pipes. So the clutch, flywheel, everything is in. It's bolted up, everything's torqued down. We're gonna go ahead now and put the trans back in. All of the trans stuff is in, the new fork, the new throwout bearings pressed on, the new throwout bearing sleeve, the new backing plates for the trans, as well as that new pivot ball. All right, so we got all brand new vibrant gaskets throughout the entire car. Brand new bolts, nuts, washers. We threw in the new test pipes as well. These are NVIDIA. Everything's all bolted up and secured. No more leaks. So the stock cats that were on the car, they were in really rough shape. The heat shields were completely gone, falling off. The bolts were all rotted out completely. So we went ahead and put on the new test pipes. Got all new bolts and everything. The hardware was really, really bad. A lot of them broke off when we were taking everything off. So we, told the customer, you should definitely replace these, and he agreed to it. So all new hardware. Car is 100% better than what it was, and I think he's gonna be really happy with it. Went ahead and replaced the diff bushings on here as well. So those are the poly ones inside. If you guys want to see install on the diff bushings, just go ahead and check out our channel. We have a video we just did recently, and it's how to install the diff bushings from start to finish, time lapse, everything. It's kind of a really cool video, so check it out. So right now we're going on a quick little test drive. Now with the clutch, you want to have a 500-mile braking period, like stop and go traffic. You don't really want to beat on the car, so you want to keep it under 3,500 RPM in between shifts. You don't want to kind of ride them out. That way you can brake in the clutch properly. So we're just going to do a quick little test drive, make sure that everything's still good. And then just make sure that the exhaust isn't like leaking like crazy. We ended up replacing all of those gaskets. Make sure that the shifter and everything shifts as normal. So shifts like butter, nice and easy. Down, reverse, goes in nice. Ended up replacing the flywheel with the OEM comes with a dual mass flywheel. This is a single mass, but it's not the lightweight flywheel. The problem with the lightweight ones is that you get a lot of clutch chatter. Like when you're in neutral, the car will be kind of just idling there, and it'll have like a weird like knocking sound, almost like a rod knock. So we wanted to have a beefy flywheel, but not have that chatter, have like an OEM feel, but still have the performance. So that's why we went ahead with this one. I'll have the part numbers and everything for the clutch that we installed in this car in the description below. You guys can click the link, order those, use code JustinDrifts, and you can get a nice little discount. So that's gonna finish it up for today's video, guys. Remember to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.